This is a very big project. We have currently about 68,000 meters deployed on our system. So this project not only entails replacing all of those meters, but it also entails putting the infrastructure in place to communicate that into all of our substations. It's been a priority from day one that we capture everyone's interest so we can capture all of the members' needs with this new system. The biggest benefits to the members with the new metering system are we're going to have better reliability of the data. So we're going to have better access to data, we're going to minimize estimated bills. The other big benefit with the new system is outage restoration. We're going to have better availability of data. The new meters are going to have better capabilities to detect when outages are occurring and to help with restoration. So we should see improvements in our outage response.